Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust sensitivity for Kensington Orbit mouse. To do this, first we'll need to download Kensington Works from their official website, and after that, when it's installed, you should see your mouse right here. Then we can navigate to the pointer options. Then on the right we can find the pointer speed and adjust the default speed between fast and slow. Actually, I'm just going to use my own mouse. I don't like that one, but anyway, you can adjust the speed right here and also enable acceleration and adjust the acceleration rate also below. And after that, there's also a custom speed that you can adjust between Alt, Shift and Control, and the same thing between normal speed and acceleration right here. When you're ready, click on Save and your settings should be applied. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.